found while uh from what I found while doing all that, it might work now. Yes. I don't think so. We'll say yeah, although technically a password was like set up. Damn it. Yeah. Ew. Yeah. Oh wait. Hold on. Well that's fun. Yeah. Before y'all attempt this again, I just thought of something I probably should have done myself. I think I might have had the server up before I made the change, so let me restart the server real quick. Okay. Hopefully this time it'll work.
For me than it normally does. Like, I saw your little pop-up on my screen and it says you were playing PalWorld dedicated server, which is interesting.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Hmm.
But then it also popped up like as just PalWorld, and I see everyone else is popping up as PalWorld, so we'll see what's happening. Hello, Skittles. I captured a kitty cat in the other world, and I named it Bitch Skittles after you. Yes, I did, kitty kitty.
We
How do I
able to
join?
just,
On another cannon fodder.
are we able to just join off of the Steam friends list? Maybe that might get around it.
I didn't see a way to do it.
Oh, okay.
I will try.
Oh, okay. I So I think it is working now. There's something slightly different I need to grab real quick.
Internal IP address, isn't it?
Well, it's that I need to get what is
I don't think anyone can hit that from the outside world.
Okay. Before I send this to y'all, let me make sure this works.
That won't.
All right, cool. Okay, so
Unless
when you enter,
unless we're on your land, we ain't gonna hit that.
yeah, no. So what you got to do is next to that bar, there is a little button for entering password. You need to check that and then put the number in I sent before. It'll then afterwards prompt you for the password.
Okay. So checkbox, paste code, click. Got it.
Just
And then it'll prompt for password.
Got it.
Because now with the changes I've had, it's made me put in the password as well.
All right, I'm loading in. Let's see what happens.
Here's hoping.
If this does not work in the next 5 minutes or so, Tabletop Simulator?
I can't. It didn't work for me.
Damn.
Timing out.
I'm getting the same error as before.
Yeah, I got the same thing.
God damn it. It's
something
something.
that says join multiplayer game invite code. Can you like generate invite codes?
Okay, so that's for like only 4 players.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's for 4 player co-op.
That sucks.
I'm going to search the name of the server that you posted, and I'm gonna check the box that says display servers with different versions, just in case something weird happened with updates. I can't think of anything
Maybe.
else. It's not working, but I did try that. Because that's the only other thing I could think of to do, so...
There's a server called Duck Games FR. I'm assuming that's not it.
I assume it's
Not
a
us.
duck server.
Like anything.
Under community server, there's one that has the word duck in it, and that's it. And actually, it just disappeared, so never mind.
Wow. Yeah. Good thing I'm hiding. Yeah,
Okay,
these
I
are
have
a lot of
just-
results and none of them have duck.
I have one just called Duck Server. Is that it?
I don't think so.
I don't believe so.
Okay. It's got 0 out of 10 people, but it is on day 444.
That's definitely not that one.
We could steal their world.
Maybe we could.
We shouldn't, but we could.
So,
That one has a max player size of 10. Interesting.
Huh.
So, official servers and the server lobby seem to be back up and running, although I'm looking at their statuses, and there was an outage for a while, but it seems to have been resolved. And it's also, this is very hard to read, because it goes by 24-hour increments, not hours. Says no incidences reported today.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm still getting that same error.
What's the type of server that we're using? Is it community or is it called a different term?
I believe it's community.
Am I louder this week? Am I okay?
Yeah, you sound better.
Yeah.
Yes.
you
Okay.
you are good. You sound clean.
I redid everything completely for the 12th time, so
Seems to have worked. Actually, I had to adjust you down slightly compared to everybody else's levels, so yeah.
yeah, I took a whole mic amp stage out because I hooked it up a slightly different way and it was completely different. I don't know how I got that wrong.
So yeah, I mean, if we can't connect to Louis' servers, the only thing I could say is we pick one of these dedicated servers that has 0 days and just play on that.
Yeah,
There's
I
a
mean,
lot.
we can do that. I know that if we build our own boxes, like for our own personal storage, you can password protect them. So if anybody else goes in there, they can't fuck with our boxes. That is a possibility that I know how to do.
Right.
Louis,
Public
does
it's
the
not like Rust.
phrase incorrect port forwarding ring any bells? It says that can prevent connections from establishing.
Nah, it's set to the same port that I'm sending on there.
You guys
Like
were
I'm
running.
looking at the code.
I thought you had it working, right?
Sorry?
Unfortunately, we
you
never
I thought
tested
you guys
it.
had this working.
We played a 4-player normal server. We didn't play.
Oh, it's a different server type. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, normal is
Ah.
4, but you can do a special one that's bigger. And we've never done
okay.
a bigger one.
I'm far less confused then. Okay.
I'm sure it's probably something I fucked up in the coding of this thing, but I don't read code enough to do this. This shit hurts my brain.
Oh, that's the funnest ones.
Uh-huh.
You got to find the stuff that hurts your brain.
I wonder if I need to log in as the admin first.
Well, I would if I were you. We haven't tried that yet.
Worth a shot.
Usually.
That's what I had to do when I ran a possibly not entirely genuine version of Subnautica to make it multiplayer.
Take you
I had
stupid
to
thing.
I had to
Wait,
launch it as
You
an
can run
admin.
as not admin?
Yes.
I can try, but I don't think that's gonna do it.
Running the server as an admin is what let me make Subnautica multiplayer.
I'm running OBS as admin.
I mean, I can try.
Well, you didn't set it up, did you?
No.
Yes. Yeah, so
Means
Louie
the
would run it
server
as an
host.
admin.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, okay. Cool. Okay. Alright,
Okay, now
try.
that's not working.
There's gotta be like.
Because it had me make a admin password separate from the server password. I tried using that. It's not doing nothing.
There's a article on GameRant from 9 hours ago that says PalWorld developer Pocket Pair warns that some players may experience issues with multiplayer and server connectivity today. Changes to
But
the multiplayer
if
system
we're going to his
infrastructure
server,
may
then
cause difficulty connecting to PalWorld servers.
are we not going through their servers if we're going directly to Louise?
I haven't gotten that far in the article yet. I don't know. They changed something in the infrastructure today, which means if you set it up before today, it might be why it's having a hiccup.
Yay, tech support.
Players running into problems after changes are made are asked to restart the game on both the host and client sides.
But didn't we already do that?
I don't know if Louie has to do it as host and client, or if Louie is just host. I don't know a lot about servers.
I'll try restarting the server again.
Just try it one more time, see what happens.
Yeah, and if we can't get it, we can do that one that Rob suggested.
If I had known it wasn't working, I could have volunteered to help out earlier.
We didn't know.
Yeah, unfortunately, it works for me,
Well,
which doesn't help.
that's the thing I'm worried is that you're not actually connecting to the outside world with your server.
Which is very possible.
Did you want me to send you anything about the ports?
Sure.
It is recommended for those who. Alright.
It says once you've access your router admin mode by entering the router's IP address in a web browser.
Oh.
We've
Once
done
you
that.
log in, you may need to port forward specific ports to allow PalWorld traffic. The exact
I've
ports
done
can be
that.
found in their forums. Okay.
But
I'm going
the
back up to
IP
what
address
this
you gave us
was.
to connect is not. It's not an outside IP address.
Oh, like maybe there's multiple IP addresses listed and we grabbed the wrong one.
No, he gave us the address I'm seeing in Discord is an internal. That's that number range is designated for internal. That's inside his network. That doesn't connect to outside.
We need the IP address of the router itself, right? Because aren't we connected?
That is-
the internet facing one.
Because I believe the IP address you gave is like your computer's IP address
Correct.
on
We'd
your
have to be on his
network.
LAN and in
Yeah.
his. Yep.
I don't know that. That's unfortunately everything I was finding said to use that one, which is weird to begin with. I thought that was weird too. Um.
Yeah, maybe if you're able to find your router's actual
Yeah.
address,
Oh.
then
That
that's
should
what
be
we need
it.
to connect to.
The one that's not 192.
Hey, let me see.
The only other thing I can think of.
Oh, I don't think the article I sent you is correct. This is about Xbox.
Oop.
Deleting.
That ain't gonna help.
Okay. I'm gonna try something.
Okie dokie.
I'm gonna try something and see if this works. I'm not gonna get my hopes up. I'm gonna experiment with something first, and if it works, then I'll tell you what I did.
I can't do that shit.
I got a hunch. I think I know what might the problem be, but I'm gonna see if it works first.
Yay, technical
Yeah, I want to try IP
difficulties.
address.
Wait.
The music's really nice on the game.
It is.
Louis, do you know what an Apex server panel is?
Kind of.
Okay. It says if you don't know the IP address, you can navigate to the Apex server panel and find out it'll be near the top of the main interface and it lets you copy it.
But I have no idea what kind of router he has.
I don't know.
He's had it. It's hosted somewhere.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm just Googling. Sometimes I stumble across the right thing.
I think that's for if you have your server hosted on there. In there. Whatchamacallit. Data center is the word.
The only other thing I can think of is the PalWorld dedicated server. It's its own app, right?
That's what I'm trying to do. That's what
Yes.
We have to use the other app to somehow connect.
That's what I'm
No,
trying to do.
that just basically brings up a little prompt that has to remain open the entire time for the server to remain open.
What we are doing is called a community server. Is that correct?
I believe so.
Okay. So someone on the Steam forums a couple days ago, granted this is 10 days ago, so it may have been fixed by now or patched, said apparently only 200 community servers can appear on the list at one time, so it can take a while for it to
But
appear
if we
for
had
people.
his IP address, we would connect directly.
Okay. I didn't know if it meant only 200 could exist. I didn't really know what I was reading.
No.
It's being a dirt.
Because I don't think they're going. I think we're connecting directly to his server. Therefore, the list is just a list.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, if it appeared on the list, it would be a way around. I'm going to put in an
Yeah.
IP address, though. I don't. Even if I put days active 0, not like your server does not appear.
Well, it's not up right now, so.
Okay.
Is it private or dedicated? Which one did you pick?
Hold on.
I'm going to assume dedicated because that's the bigger one.
Yeah, dedicated.
Dedicated. This page introduces you how to dedicated server. Privately with your friends.
Yeah, stupid ass thing.
Are you telling me your IP address is not on the front page of your router config?
Currently I'm having issues with my router because it won't accept my fucking password.
Oh, Well, that's a valid reason to not be able to see that.
Yeah, that's kind of pissing me off. Like I just did this shit to make it work to begin with. I was just logged in about a week ago.
So
But
Louis,
no,
you will hold on. Louis is going to use the code he sent us before, and everyone else is going to use a different code. That's what
what
this
do you
thing
mean?
says. The host uses the local address. Everyone else uses the IPv4.
That
That's what this article says about how to set up a server.
Okay, let's see if that's my IP address. Then
I have no idea what you just said means though.
Your computer is going to have two IP addresses. One's for your own local network, and one is for like public stuff or like stuff that we
Yeah.
would be able to access. So we will all type in the public one, and you will use the local one.
So
correct.
the
And it should
problem
start with a
is
different three numbers.
Yeah, he gave us the private
That,
one or the
yeah,
local one.
that's okay. He was just trying to find the other one. You may be able to find it using the command prompt on your computer.
I mean,
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out an easy way to do it from there.
You can Google what's my public IP according to this to get your IPv4.
Yeah, that's probably yes. There you go. Thank you. Wow, I'm dumb. That would be way easier than what I'm doing. I forgot about that. Thank you.
specifically public IP.
Well, they can only get your public.
Yeah. There's
True.
a website, whatismyIPaddress.com. That will
Yeah.
tell you what it
It
is.
can show you your
Okay.
local, but it can't get it. It can't get it.
And we want the one that's V4, not V6. So look for the V4.
That's good because I don't have a V6 anyway.
Okay.
It's a noticeable difference.
He
That is a little bit confusing that the host has to connect with one and everybody else with another. I can see why that would be.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
it seems weird, but that's what it says.
No, it makes sense because basically the host is connecting to the router internally.
Yeah,
Everybody else is
because otherwise
connecting
the host would go
externally.
out to the internet and then come back in through the outside.
Yeah,
I mean, you could
so
do
it
it
just
with the same, but it would be dumb.
Hey.
and also extra laggy for no reason.
Yes, yes.
So,
Yep.
That's why it's
that,
dumb.
that makes sense. I don't miss the days I used to have to do IT and tech support. Do you not miss those
Well,
days?
I
all
do,
of the
'cause I got paid
issues.
a lot more.
I got paid less than I do now, so no, I don't miss it.
Oh, well, shit. I missed out on that deal.
God damn it, it's one thing after another with this shit. So now we're this far in, and my PalWorld, the game, is still attempting to stop.
Ah.
Kill it. Kill it in the task manager.
So the problem is it doesn't exist in the task manager.
Oh, it
Go
does.
into Steam and force it to quit through Steam. I've had to do that for Fall Guys before.
Oh, does Steam think it's open? Is that what the thing is?
Steam
Yeah, I've had
thinks
to
it's
do that.
open.
Yeah,
Steam is
thought
still thinking that it's stopping. I don't know how to turn it, how to stop
I
it.
had a
Steam
demo
is
I played
weird.
the other night. It thought that was still running, and it was definitely not open. I had that happen just this
Maybe,
morning.
If you force quit Steam, that might do it.
unfortunately, just did that and it's still not doing it.
Huh.
Okay, all right. Think it's working.
All right.
No,
Cross your fingers,
no.
people.
Well, hold on.
Still need the IP address.
Yeah,
We'll get it.
All right, what's my IP address? Okay.
that's what it says. So
Okay.
hopefully that works. I may not make it in at this rate, but who knows?
You'll use the other one.
Yeah, but not meant like it's not shutting down. No matter what I do, it's not shutting down
You mean that.
Oh.
this game.
I got a
Probably,
different thing this time for the password. It said no password was entered.
yeah, I would
password.
check password and put in the password he supplied.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a
I am
start,
on the
though.
character creation screen. I'm good.
Oh, wait,
Is this the
Ew.
what do you? All right.
I didn't see. Okay.
Oh, something different's happening for me as well. Yes, I'm
No
on character
password has
creation.
been entered.
Yeah,
On
it
character
looks.
creation.
Yep,
Yahoo!
me
I'm
too.
here,
Looks like
people.
that worked.
Let's
So
go.
everyone can play other than the host. Great.
Yep.
Might have to restart your computer, Louis.
But that would shut all of y'all out of the game again.
Yeah, but we
Yep.
know how to get back in now.
Yes, at least we know how to get into it.
Okay,
If you are gonna do it, let me know before I work
Yes.
on my character.
Why doesn't he do that now before any of us start fucking with character creation?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, I'm
you
just
can't
gonna
change
hang
it.
out.
Character
Alright,
creation's a
No.
one and done.